Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to ask a question on Lazada app. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to ask a question on Lazada. Maybe because you want to purchase a product, but before purchasing, you have so many queries in your mind and you want them to be clear. So, you want to ask a question from the seller so that you could get to know about the product. Or maybe you're looking for some customization in the product, so you want to ask about it. Or there could be any other reason for you to ask a question on Lazada. So, whatever the reason it could be, in this video, I'll show you how easily you can ask a question on Lazada. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Lazada app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app get installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you're also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Lazada app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have some of the promotion, categories, and different products on our home page. Other than that, we have some options at the bottom as well. So now if you want to ask a question regarding a specific product, then you have to go to the profile of that product, like you have to tap on the product image and the product open, and then you could ask a question on that. It could be any question of your choice, whatever is in your mind, but before you have to go to the profile of that product. So here I'm going to open a shirt. Once the shirt open, I will go through some of its images so I will get an idea about it, its description, different variations, and all over different information regarding that product, including its reviews. But if you still have any question like me, then we will see how we could ask a question. So here at the bottom of the page, you could see we have an option which says chat. It is at the bottom left side of the screen. This chat is with you and a person who is selling that product. Like, a chat will open between you and the seller, and there you could ask about that product to the seller. So here is this option, just simply click on it, and there you will see the chat will open, and it also has a product in which you want to ask about it. So here you have to write whatever you want to type, like, if this product available in 200 quantity, or can I get my name on that product, like that. Once you have written, if you want to add any kind of emojis, so here we have the option for emojis as well. If you tap onto this, emojis will open, you can use them, but it's all up to you. Otherwise, if you're done typing, then simply click on this arrow and that question will be sent to the seller, and whenever that person is available or sees it, he or she may reply it. So this was the easiest way I know through which you could ask a question on Lazada. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.